Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to drill into brick or concrete. This will be a full tutorial and a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a hammer drill, I have a masonry bit, and I have some stone right here, and I'll go over all of this momentarily. So first and foremost, the process is going to be the same, whether you are drilling into stone like this, brick, concrete, cinder block, anything that's hard like this, it's going to be the same process. Okay, it's all sort of considered masonry. Now, secondly, the bit that I have on this drill is actually a masonry bit. If you take a look right here, you can see that it has this very blunt tip. That makes it a masonry bit. If you use a bit with a sharp tip, the stone or the brick or the concrete is just going to eat away at the bit. So you need a bit with a very blunt tip, just like that. That is your masonry bit. Thirdly, the drill that I have is actually a hammer drill. It's not a regular drill, it's a hammer drill, because when you turn it on to hammer drill mode, there's a switch up here. It's going to actually hammer into the stone as it turns. That's what allows it to really get into the stone. You really should be using a hammer drill to drill into concrete, brick, stone, masonry, anything of that sort. You can do it with a regular drill, but it is really not recommended because it will probably cause a lot of wear and tear on your drill. So just use a hammer drill, it makes it a lot easier. So what you want to do is place a mark on the spot that you want to drill into. Okay, so I'm just going to place a little mark right here, just like that. So my mark is right there. I'm going to drill into that one little spot right there. I'll make it a little bit bigger so you can see, because I know the camera's a bit further away. I don't want the camera to get too dusty for this process. So there's my mark. Now what you want to do is make sure your drill is in hammer drill mode, okay? And a quick tip, if you want to, you can take a little piece of tape and place it around the drill bit wherever you want to stop drilling. If you have a certain depth that you want to hit, you could take some tape and you could wrap it around the drill bit on the spot that you want to stop drilling at. If that's, you know, it's totally fine, and that's a very good tip. So let's say I wanted to stop drilling when the drill hit that spot right there. I just get this piece of tape, and now I know to stop drilling when that part meets the stone. So now it's on hammer drill mode. I have the drill bit securely in there. What I want to do is I want to place the drill bit right on that spot, and I want to just go just a little bit to make my mark on the stone. Okay, so I'm just going to start drilling. It's going to get pretty loud, and I'm just going to go just a bit to make my mark on the stone. So let's get right into this. As you can see right there, I just went just a bit just to make my mark on the stone, because I don't want the drill bit to be moving all around that stone. So now that I've done that, I have my mark. Now I can go at a faster speed, applying a good amount of pressure towards the stone and keeping an eye on the tape. And I'll give you a few tips in just a moment, okay? So stay tuned. Let's start this though. Now, I'm sure you hear that sound going, and that's because I'm applying pressure and pulling back just a bit. Pressure and pulling back just a bit. And that is to release the dust that is caught inside of that hole, because the dust in there will actually prevent me from drilling further and properly. And it'll eat away at my drill bit, believe it or not. So I just go a little bit in and out continually while applying that pressure back and forth. Pressure, no pressure. Pressure, no pressure. Let's keep going. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually pull the drill bit out again and go back in to release any dust that's caught in there. I'm going to get my foot over here just to make sure that that stone doesn't move anywhere. So you can see that dust coming out, and that's what you want to remove, and then you can keep going. Let's finish it off. We're going to go until we hit that piece of tape right there, the edge of that tape. And there you have it. That is how to drill into stone, brick, concrete, masonry, anything of this sort. Yeah, very simple process, relatively easy to do, but you need the right tools to get it done. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.